Hello friends, glad to have you back. And for the ones who are the new to this channel, I am Obijit and this is my graphic shop. Today I am going to teach you this.
Hello guys, good evening. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am going to show how to draw creative drawings using various household items which we can use in our daily life like clips, leaf, rose, Cadbury, lemons, etc. I hope you guys having fun from my videos. You can also check my interesting playlist and previous videos. I give you few links in the description box. Please go there and watch more. I had a very interesting collection on drawing such as Mandela art, Zentangle art, painting, tribal art, Indian folk art as well as various digital work using Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, etc. Please inform me guys about your views towards my videos. I hope you guys will love it. If you like my job, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification immediately. I request you to please like, comment and share my videos with your friends, family and closer ones. Please comment your point of view, whether it is good or bad. That helps me to create good content. So I need your help. Thank you guys. Please stay home, stay safe, stay connected. See you soon.